Hey, good afternoon, y'all. We are going to regenerate our on-the-go water softener that we use here in our RV. And at some point, it has to be regenerated. It's regenerated with salt. I mix up a gallon of warm water with 2 canisters of salt. It can be iodized or regular salt, it doesn't matter. Putting it in the warm water solution, the 1 gallon, works really well. And we drain out the on-the-go water softener. We drain that out, and then we pour the salt and water mixture in there, and then we get everything set up to run for 27 minutes and running the water at just a trickle so that it will regenerate the water softener. And so anyway, here we go, and we'll show you on the test strips later in the video just exactly how we determine when we need to regenerate and when the water is soft, so we know for sure. I'm going to tell you, it's really great for our washer and our clothes that we do here in the rig, and also for showers. Boy, there's nothing like soft water for a shower. So anyway, hang in there and we will get this thing done. Let's do it. Okay, so I've got the discharge end of the water softener, and it's all drained out, the water softener is. And I'm going to just put this elbow on it because I'm going to hang this right in the sewer line here at the park. Just want to hang that right over like that, and I put this on there for sanitary reasons. And that way when we go to flush the water softener, it has to be flushed for about 27 minutes. So it's got to be running in there. You can't just run it out on the ground because it'd make quite the mess, obviously. So we're getting this all set up here. Putting a hose on there long enough so that it'll reach. And we will take this over to where our sewer connect is and put it out there. And we'll just set this right on the edge so I could watch the water flow on it. We'll open the top of the on-the-go water softener, and we will get our gallon of salinated water, and we're going to pour it right directly in there. I've just found that putting the salt in warm water and getting it to dissolve a little bit seems to work a little better for me in this regenerating process. Want to get all that salt in there. Okay, so we'll set that off to the side. I've got that full gallon in there. And put the lid back on. Look at my timer. And I'll set my timer for 27 minutes. And we'll get this going. You just want to get just enough water going to just for a trickle to come out. Just a little bit, just a trickle. See if y'all can see that. That's all. And we'll run that for 27 minutes. Okay, we'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all, we've been running our water through, our saline solution through for just about 27 minutes. My timer's just about to go off. There it is. And so now what we want to do is we want to run the water on high, flush it out on high for 7 minutes. So I'll get to my timer, start 7 minutes, and turn the water up to high. And then we'll get back to y'all in a few minutes, and we'll go in and check out the test strips before and after. So anyway, see you in just a bit. Okay, y'all, we're back in the house. We've got the water softener regenerated. We've got a sample of the water before we regenerated the softener and after we regenerated. So these test strips, we actually get those from On The Go. You don't have to. You could probably find them at a pool supply or something like that. That's just where we get them. So anyway, the darker the color of these test strips, the harder the water is. And you can see, pulling close here, and you can see that's soft and that's hard. So you can see how hard that water is. Now let's try the soft water side and see if it did any good to regenerate. Okay, look at the difference in this. Soft and hard. So we've got good soft water going on. And also, folks, that's how we tell if our water's too hard. We pull out a test strip and miraculously the stains go away in the shower. The water for showering is much softer, and our clothes are much softer in the washing machine. So anyway, that's sort of our review on regenerating the On The Go water softener. We highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked, please click the like button and the subscribe button because it absolutely helps us out. We surely appreciate it. Thanks for watching.